Hello, ma'am and sir. In front of you is Grace Rosing. I am 34 years old, single parents. I have 7 brothers and 1 sister. And the fourth child in the family, I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. I work in 2 countries, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, as domestic helper. When I work in Saudi Arabia, I take care 3 members of the family. No children, my madam, and 1 boy, 24 years old, and 1 girl, 16 years old. In Kuwait, I take care family with 4 members, my madam and sir, and then 2 girls. Then the baby is 2 years old and 4 years old. I do also cleaning, ironing, washing, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family financially. Mom and sir, please hire me. I want to work for your family and the future. I need this job. Please help me. Thank you.